Good morning! Happy Friday! Nagre-ready kami, guys. Gamitin ko yung nakuha natin sa YesStyle. Beauty of Hoso na sunscreen. Mayroon siyang SPF 50 PA. 4 na plus S. Happy Friday! Gising na ang lahat. Ganito yung ano niya, texture. I mean, yung kulay. Malapit na maubos yung kahi ko eh. Oh, Arlo. Oh, maganda din yung ano niya. Dapat niya sa skin, malamig. Well, ang lamig-lamig ngayon.
Mommy.
Arlo's coming. He must be finished. He's having breakfast eh. Bakit na siya? What? Ano daw ate? Uy, maganda din siya. Wala din siyang ano oh. Hindi maputi, walang white cast. Hala, na meron talagang apakalaking bangaw. Paano nakapasok dito yan? Let's go downstairs now. Alright, we'll go downstairs. I'm almost done. Binaba ko na siya kanina eh kasi gusto niyang bumaba. Tapos kumain na siya. Alright, sit down. Okay, sit down. Huh? Sit down here?
No.
Where? Where are we going? Sit down on the couch. Alright, I'll sit on the couch. Just wait. I-try ko din yung bigay ni na Bibianca. Ano? Ang laki ng langaw. Hello, fly. Big one. Cloud Paint from Glossier. Oh my gosh, that freaking fly is big. Look at the fly. Maya na tayo baba, Arlo. Bihisan mo na kita dito. Oh, did you see your clothes, Arlo?
I kill it.
You wanna kill it, baby? It's alright, Ayla. I can use a cloth. You don't have to go downstairs. Bababa kasi yan siya. Kukunin niya yung ano namin, racket. Just get dirty clothes from the hamper. I'll kill it.
Alright.
Please. Thank you. Kasi ang laki-laki niya, oh. Natamaan ko na yan kanina, eh. Tas hindi lang namatay. Okay, and I need to change your clothes, mate.
This one, Mommy?
No, clothes. Clothes. Dirty clothes from your basket, please. Thank you.
Mom. Yeah, Mom.
Look, Alo, look at the fly. On Mommy's mirror.
Mom.
So big.
I'm scared.
You scared?
I'm tired, Mom.
Huh?
I'm tired.
You wanna try and kill it?
Tired.
Okay. Just waiting for dirty clothes from ate.
Where are you going, ate?
Ipakuha na ko niya dirty clothes from the basket. Asa man siya ni Adto? Ha? Dili, oy. Ako nang patyon ang fly.
Fly.
Tara, ako kayo.
Nagdano ko.
Dala-dala na tayo titang balaking basket. Alright, ready?
Sa video.
Ready, Ayla?
Katawa na.
Ready, 1, 2, 3.
Fly.
Oh, it's so big. I can't kill it.
I'm tired.
Try to kill it, boy.
Oh no.
Oh no, where is it now? Where is it?
Oh no. The owl.
Ready, steady. Ah! Ah! Di ka kamot. Oh no!
Mommy.
I know.
Scary.
It's scary.
Hey. Where?
It's there on the lights.
Alright.
Yeah, on the lights. There, can you see? We can't reach. So high. We can't reach. So high, we can't reach. I'm only small, yes. Okay, let's do it. Where's the other one? Where's the other one? Where's the other one? Where's the other one? I'll do your hair, ate.
I'm the toilet.
You can't reach it, Arlo? You can't. Here, put it back in your basket, ate. I'll do your hair. Oi! Here, give me the collar, you kill it, okay? Oh, not that. Where is it? Yeah, I saw it. Oh, where? Gamitin natin tong So in Love. Isa lang yung binili ko nito. Where's your perfume, Ayla? Si Ayla, ang hilig na mag-ano niyan? Mag-perfume. There. Here you go. Ito yung gamit ni Ayla. Ang bango-bango niyan. Binigyan siya ni Tita Ikang and Tito Marlo ng ano. Wow. Ng isang pack niyan. Ang pabango din ng iba niyan, ha? In fairness.
Yeah.
Sige pak, nasa hina diri.
So in love. Ano na, pang-donate. Ikaw, uy, ang bango talaga. So in love, gusto mo?
Come on.
Parehas ba?
Hindi.
Come on. Come on.
Come on.
Come on. Come on.
Bilis lang maubos
Mine
nito.
make better noises.
Ha?
Mine did.
It's a spray. Yours is just a bottle. That's okay. You finish? You can put this in the bin. Maganda ito pang summer kasi malamig.
Yours is a bed.
It's a big one, yeah. Nasabi ko ba sa inyo guys kung saan kami pupunta? Dito kami sa T3 Plaza. Late si Miss sa kanyang appointment. But meron kasi siyang flu shot dito. Dinrap ko na lang siya dun malapit sa door. Tapos naghanap kami ng parking. Nakahanap na kami kaya lang hinihintay ko na tumila konti yung ulan because it's raining and I need to get the pram out. Dito na kami sa food court guys. Tapos na pa-injection si Tita Rich. Yeah? Sige, kain!
Where's the minion?
There's no minion today. They ran out of minions.
Sorry ate,
Hindi alam ni Miss na may mga paganyan palang ganap mga toy. Ito tapos na kumain. Ang dami niyang rice na kain. Tsaka noodles. You're eating noodles anyway. Dito na kami sa food court guys. Grabe ang busy. School holiday kasi. Daming bata. Oo. School holiday nga. You want this? More of this or hot? Okay, just... That's okay. Here, do you want this? Ayla. Good job.
Matma kayo bagbubag.
Nag 2 choices ako eh. Sa Vietnamese to. Rice, noodles, and gulay. Yes. Pinanood ko na kasi kanina pa jump sa upuan. My goodness, tong batang to. Ikaw, gusto mo to i-try? Paano yung akin pa healthy? Yung akin walang meat. Ang cute ni Ayla, binoblow niya, tapos in-airplane niya kay Arlo. Ay! Blow many times. Oh.
Dami lang wait dito.
Ayan. You eat as well, Ayla. You eat as well. Good job. And then Arlo's turn, airplane. Oh.
Hello. It's coming. Open mouth. Uy.
You want everything?
I'll help you.
Bakit ka sila masir?
Two choices regular, 15. Around. Ang ganda nito guys, oh. Itim lahat. Pati yung lid, itim. Tapos yung ilalim. See? Ay, hindi itim, but that's okay. Ang cute. Magkano? 60% off daw. Cooks Collective na brand. Ganda niyan. Walang price? Dito kami sa Meyer Home. Gusto ko yan, may takip pa pati. Ayan ay, yan yun. Walk with glass lid. Magkano kaya yan? Gusto ko yan. 129 tas 60% off? Sure na? Of cookware, yeah. Hindi ba yan naka-clearance? Sige, kunin ko yan. Yeah, sure. Ito perfect to pang ano, yung kahapon na, what do you call that? Yan ba talaga yun?
Yeah.
Wait sa. Yeah, yan yun. Sige. Dito sa ilalim, oh. Ipinunta namin dito yung ano, plato. Hindi ba? May wok na tayo. Nauna pa tuloy yung wok. Bili tayo plato. Yung ayun miss, malaking bowl. Nagluto kami ng ano kahapon. Nagluto ako ng chicken adobo. Tapos, meron akong maliliit na bowl. Hindi magkasya. Yung ano? No. Bowl na malaki. Ah, thank you. That one. Is that too big? This one?
is
Way too big? Pang arenola naman to.
that one.
Which one? This one?
Yeah.
Ang linis ng house, in fairness. House is very clean. We're back, guys. It's raining. Hindi ko alam kung matutuloy ang ating Chinatown tonight because the rain is bad out there. Meron daw storm today, so good luck. Gusto kasi ni Dan mag-Chinatown mamaya. Bumili kami 4-pack na Krispy Kreme na original glaze. Yung mga bata din, in-orderan ko kanina nung chocolate sprinkle kasi gusto nila. Wala na, ubos na. And then, dito ko nilagay ko yung ano, mga binili ko sa Meyer, yung mga teaspoon at saka cake fork. Yung leftover ng mga bata. Ayun, may donut pa dito. Hindi kinain ni Arlo yung ano, bread mismo. Hindi kasi ako humingi ng bag kay kuya. Tapos nilagay ko lang dito yung mga teaspoon. Ayan. Naka 50% off. Ito guys. Ito yung matchy-matchy sa ating kutsara at saka tinidor. This is from Maxwell Williams. And yung Cosmopolitan na line nila. So I got 10 of each. 10 of the teaspoon. Para sa kape natin. Meron pa naman kaming teaspoon. Gusto ko lang siya palitan para uniform sa aming mga kutsara. Cake forks. So 10 each. Maganda to siya kasi matte yung dito. Ayan. And 50% off siya. So from $3.95, $1 something na lang siya. So parang $2 na lang siya from 4. And then bumili din ako ng wait. Tanggalin natin yan mamaya kasi ilagay ko sa dishwasher. Bumili din ako ng wok. I-open ko ha. This is from the Cooks Collective. Ang ganda ng itsura niya. And naka 60% off talaga siya guys. Ang galing-galing. Tapos same lang pala po ng size ng ano namin boat namin. Ganda pa ng lid niya. Glass lid. Tapos black. Ayun. So from 130, 60 something na lang siya guys. Okay na siya ah. So ito yung hala. Same lang pala. Miss! Same lang.
Sure ba?
Same lang ba?
Same size?
Mas deep to no?
Mas deep na siya.
Yeah, mas deep to.
Pero wala manita ko ba isa, diba?
Yeah, walang takip yung isa. Parang safe. Sana pala ito yung nilutuan natin ng adobo kagabi. Ah, okay na. Ah, ito rin. Okay, tama na. Huwag ka nang bumili ng wok. Dami mo na palang wok. Gara. Doble-doble na ito yung wok natin. And, nabili ko yung aking iron. Speaking of iron, nakalimutan ko na naman mag-take ng iron. Ay, nako. Ang galing-galing ko sa iba. So, tinitake ko sila sa gabi. Yung iron talaga kailangan i-take before meals. Nakakalimutan ko. Ay, kumain na naman ako. So, nung binili ko to sa Chemist Warehouse, isa lang yung pwede. Sa Priceline, pwede naman. Wala naman silang limit. So, I got 2. Ito yung iron supplement na tinitake ko. Ferrograd C. So, meron na siyang vitamin C. And yung mga nandito kay Miss. Ay, may mga kutsara pa. You like it? Gawa tayo mango shake.
What ka, oh?
Mango shake.
Well. Kan hindi ko lang. Mula kanina ka nagbubuhat ako. Siyangan kayo ba nga?
Ito na lang natira. Kunti na lang. Yakult, of course. You can have Yakult. Of course, Gail. Tita Rich will get it for you. Ubusin na natin to. Wag daw tamisan mo siya. Ang tamis last time. Anong gagawin natin dito sa leftover na ano? Anong gagawin natin sa leftover? Marunong ka mag-ema? Kaya ano? Ano ba itong ginawa ko? Gumagawa ko ng ema tapos binibenta ni Miss. Si Miss nagabenta ng mga gawa ko. Munchkin. Ano pa yung mga pinabibenta ko sa'yo?
Ate, ay, lalaki.
Grabe ka fake. Hey now, this is what dreams are made of. I like singing. Okay, don't sing. Okay, baby. Ito, hindi na ito matamis. Hey now, this is what dreams are made of. Ready, steady, go. Yummy. What is it? Ah, mango shake. Mango shake, dance. Yummy. Mango shake. Oh, mango shake. Yummy mango shake. Aloston. Mommy's turn. Yummy? Yeah, we'll give it to Ayla this way. Gonna share with Ayla too. Wash hands too. Kain tayo mango shake at saka black chili. Lapit na maubos black chili ko guys. Wala pa kami isang week na kabalik. Ano pala to? 2 full packs. Tapos merong mga natira from 1 pack. So 2 and a bit packs. And I'm down to 1 pack na lang. Gusto ko to sinasnack. Parang may malaki ata nito. Tapos, oh, Pilipinas na Pilipinas. Matagal pa tayo makaka-uwi. Hindi kami uwi ng December eh. Kasi ang late pa ni baby. Kalami. Tapos no showtime. We're here. Dito kami sa Chachi's guys. Sana kami magcha-Chinatown kaya lang the weather is really bad and I think it's gonna be really busy sa Chinatown. So dito na lang tayo sa hindi ganun ka layo sa atin. Hindi pa to na, hindi ka pa nakapunta dito, no?
Wala pa first.
Yeah.
I ran the one where it's not this.
Yeah.
When's a princess?
Daddy, I eat ice.
Eating time.
Time.
Eating time.
Eating time.
Hello.
Papa. I want to do that. I do time.
Eating time.
Alright. Just be careful, okay?
Be careful, Ayla, ha?
Watch out.
We don't care. Alex.
Watch out, Dad.
Watch out, Dad. He said watch out. Why, Alo? Why
Watch out.
watch out?
Watch out. Papa.
Dito na yung orders naming iba. So, we ordered a fire basket. Ano yan? Jalapeno peppers at saka cheese stick. And then large nachos with chorizo as usual. Masarap to.
Daddy.
What did you try? That's cheese?
No.
And more food coming.
Here you go, kids. The chips, kids.
Oh, wow. Thank you.
And the cauliflower. Should I put it here?
Yeah, you put, that'd be great, thank you.
Thank you.
The usual for the
Ah, perfect. Thank you so much. That's alright. Thanks. Sabi na. Ano, crispy. Sarap yung curly fries nila dito. We're just waiting for one more. Tacos. Beef tacos. Let's eat, guys. Try ka jalapeno peppers, be. Tama na.
Kalang kayo?
No, not really. Not that spicy. The sauce is good.
Jalapeno peppers. Baba?
Oh, it is spicy but not really spicy. It's alright. Masarap din yung cheese stick. Yup, ano? Nachos is good. Ito yung paboritong nachos eh. Yung chorizo yung meat.
Actually, something. Ooh, the ribs there.
Yeah. That's really ano ha? Tender. Go for it. I don't want the ribs, so go.
No.
grab
Oh, you don't
more.
want the ribs?
No,
Ay,
no.
sorry boy. Silly Tita Rich. The block.
Give it that.
Stop. Tita Rich, stop. Yeah, I want their nachos. Really good nachos. Sasa. Sige.
Kalayo o ano ba?
Ano, kita kayo. Nice kayo. Kita kayo ng food.
Ano ba ang start eh?
Mm.